What do you have there? What's that? It's a jellyfish, okay? Wally? It's an octopus. Joaquin? It's an octopus. Very good. Okay, Joaquin, what do you have there?
A jellyfish.
A jellyfish. Very good. Emma?
Turtle.
A turtle. Emma?
Turtle.
Okay, but move your hand. Saca la mano para que te la vea tu turtle. Saca la mano. Aha, that's a turtle. And Gaspar? What's that? What's that?
Ray.
A ray. Very good. Okay. Hi, Andy. What do you have there? A seahorse. Very good. Joaquin? What do you have there? A turtle. What's that? Turtle. A turtle. Very good. Puli? A turtle. Very good. Melem? A turtle. Very good. Okay, Deja? What's that?
Octopus.
It's an octopus. Juli? It's another octopus. Nacho? A jellyfish. Very good. Isa? It's another octopus. Very good. Hello, Pope. What do you have there? What's that? A sea? A seahorse. Very good. Joaquin? What's that? A jellyfish. Very good. Sol? What's that?
Starfish.
A starfish. Excellent. Eloy? What's that? A sea? A seahorse. Very good. Agustin? What do you have there?
Jellyfish.
Very good. Okay. Hello, Benny. What do you have there?
Octopus.
It's an octopus. Excellent. Vale?
Octopus.
Another octopus. Fantastic. What's it? Another octopus. Fantastic.
A sailor went to sea.